Have you ever wondered where your photos, videos, and apps really live when you upload them online? Is it magic? Is it some invisible place floating above us? Well, it's not magic. It's the cloud. But here's the kicker. It's not in the sky. It's all around you, right now, in machines, servers, and data centers. In this video, you're going to learn exactly what the cloud is, how it powers everything from your smartphone to global companies, and why it's the future of technology. Ready? Let's dive in. Let's be real for a second. The internet is not as invisible as you think. When you send an email, stream a movie, or back up your phone, all that data needs a place to live. Before the cloud, we used to store everything locally, on our computers, hard drives, or flash drives. But that gets messy, and eventually it doesn't scale. Here's the problem. As more data and apps flood our lives, keeping everything in one place is impossible. That's where cloud computing comes in. It solves the problem of limited storage, processing power, and accessibility. It lets anyone, anywhere, access powerful technology and storage without needing to own a server or physical hardware. But how does it really work? Let's break it down. Cloud computing is simply the delivery of computing services like storage, processing, databases, and software over the internet. Instead of relying on a physical hard drive or server in your house, the cloud lets you access these services remotely from any device, as long as you have an internet connection. So, here's what makes cloud computing so powerful. 1. Remote access. You can access data, apps, and software from anywhere. Your files aren't tied to one computer, they're stored in the cloud, ready whenever you need them. 2. Pay as you go. With the cloud, you only pay for what you use. No upfront costs or expensive hardware. This is why services like AWS, Google Cloud, and Microsoft Azure are booming. They allow businesses to scale efficiently. 3. Scalability. Imagine your website goes viral. Instead of worrying about whether your servers can handle the traffic, the cloud automatically scales to handle millions of visitors. This means no downtime and no headaches. And finally, 4. Data security. Yes, the cloud is secure. You're not trusting just anyone with your data. Cloud providers offer world-class security to keep your information safe, encrypted, and only to you. So, that's cloud computing in a nutshell. It's remote, scalable, flexible, and cost-effective. But how does it actually work behind the scenes? Here's where it gets interesting. Behind the scenes, cloud computing relies on something called virtualization. Let's take a real-world example. Imagine a massive, powerful server in a data center. Now, with virtualization, this one server can act as several smaller servers, each doing a different task. This is how cloud providers give millions of users access to cloud resources without them interfering with each other. Think of it as dividing one big pizza into many slices. Everyone gets their own slice, but the pizza remains intact. This allows companies like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud to serve millions of customers at the same time with no performance hits. And this is why cloud computing has transformed industries across the globe, from healthcare and finance to education and e-commerce. It's the backbone of the modern digital world. So now you know, the cloud is not some abstract concept. It's a real, powerful tool that's changing the way we live, work, and play. Whether it's AWS, Google Cloud, or Azure, these platforms are driving the future of tech innovation across the globe. But here's the exciting part. In the next video, we're going to dive deeper into the advantages of cloud computing. We'll look at how it's saving businesses billions and creating new opportunities for developers and entrepreneurs just like you. Don't miss it. Hit subscribe, stay tuned, and let's build the future of tech together.